Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. Before we get started, our flowers are here. We are so excited to launch our very own personally designed like real flowers. I'm just excited. Can you tell? I'm just a little excited. Head on over to the description and you can get right to them on our Amazon store. And do not forget to get your free ebook. It's a link in the description and it has over a dozen projects with our flowers. Just so excited. Thank you to all of you who've already purchased them and sent us some fantastic reviews and feedback. Well, let's get started with this week's project, and it comes from a community member, and her name is Carol, and she writes, "Hi MissPlanIt." Hi Carol. "My daughter is having her sweet 16 birthday very soon. The theme is a night in Paris masquerade ball. The colors are yellow, gray, and silver. We need a centerpiece idea of how to incorporate Paris and a masquerade ball in one idea. Please help," in all capitals. Well, Carol, no worries. We got you. This centerpiece is not only gorgeous, it's so economic. I was able to find supplies that come in bulk packages. So in that cost per project is actually enough to pretty much make 5 projects. It's amazing. So the cost effectiveness is just stunning. So check out the links for the supplies in the description below. With that, let's go ahead and get started with this week's episode, Paris Masquerade Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's go. So first we're going to create our base, and to do that we're going to use an 8x4 inch styrofoam disc as well as a 1.5 inch silver ribbon. Now I'm using ribbon because I couldn't find a silver paper that I liked. But if you find a silver paper, just make sure it's a 12x12 piece of paper, and that should be able to cover the outside of your disc. Otherwise, ribbon works just fine. Attach it with a little hot glue. Now that our styrofoam is covered, we're going to go ahead and move on to our Eiffel Tower, which comes in 2 separate pieces. Very easy to assemble, simple one snap, and there you have it. You will notice that the Eiffel Tower is embossed with the letters of Paris. I'm going to zhuzh it up a bit, so I'm going to take some yellow paint and some yellow glitter. I'm going to paint and glitter the letters to add a little extra pizzazz. Now it's time to put our mask together. We're going to use a pre-made mask. Go ahead and cut the strings off. We don't need them because we won't be attaching it to our face. We're going to go ahead and use a 3/16 inch wooden dowel. It comes in a 36 inch length. I needed 24, so I'm going to cut 12 inches off of it. And then we're going to use our same technique of paint and glitter to decorate the dowel so that it is cohesive with our mask and the rest of our centerpiece. Allow about 30 minutes for it to dry, and we're ready to move on. Now that our dowel is dry, we're going to attach it to the back of our mask with some hot glue at a diagonal. Well, Carol, what do you think? It's gorgeous, absolutely stunning. I think your soon-to-be 16-year-old will love it. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you would like an extra special notification, just click on that little button right there in the corner and you will get a special note right from us the moment our videos are live. If you have a question or you just want to drop us some words of encouragement, we love words of encouragement, go ahead and do that. And in addition to that, you can follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And don't forget to sign up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates. It is absolutely free. Head on down to our description, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It is just that simple. What are you waiting for? Get it done today. Don't forget to check out our MissPlanItShop.com for our digital downloadable DIY planning guides. They are there just for you to help you plan the party, baby shower, graduation party, wedding, event of your dreams. You can absolutely do it with our help, helping you plan it step by step, every step of the way. So go ahead and check it out. You can click right there in the corner or head to the description and click on the link. Don't miss out. Once again, our time has come to an end and it goes by so fast. We want to thank you for hanging out with us and remind you to head over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. If you would like us to help you with a project, click on the Project Request tab, follow the very simple steps, do it sooner than later because I hate telling anyone no. Also on our website, you will have additional blog posts with savings options and savings tips. There is a free resource library with just little dibbles and dabbles of things that I have learned or found along the way, and they're absolutely free to you. And of course, there's always the written and picture instructions for all of our projects. So go on over to MissPlanIt.com because there is a plethora of information for you that we cannot put in our weekly tutorials. In addition to that, we just want to thank you for taking this time to spend with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we are so grateful that you choose to spend it with us. Thank you so much for all of you who have subscribed. We are almost at 100,000 subscribers, which, can I just tell you, it blows me away. It's just amazing, and I'm so appreciative. Well, until next time, guys, always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.